Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your password in your GoCardless account. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in the home page over here and just go to the settings option right next to the search bar. Tap on it and now tap on user settings. Scroll a bit down till you find the password option. You can see the change password option over here. Type in your new password and now just tap on save changes. And guys, that's how you change your password in your GoCardless account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.